Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to focus on an exciting topic: how to make up to $22,000 a month selling on Amazon. Yes, you heard that right. It may seem unbelievable, but it's a reality for many sellers on this platform. Whether you're new to online selling or looking to take your business to the next level, this video will reveal the secrets, strategies, and tools that will help you do it. Get ready to be inspired and learn how to turn Amazon into a real money-making machine.
The first essential step in your Amazon journey is to understand and accurately list your costs. Treat every product you sell as a golden opportunity to make a profit. This starts with mastering the three main types of costs. First, the cost of goods sold, or COGS. This is the basic cost of your products, including shipping and duties. For example, you buy Extreme Buds Bluetooth headphones on Alibaba for $10 per unit, and the additional cost, including shipping and customs, is $5. So, your COGS is $15 per unit. This is the first step to making a profit. The next step is to calculate your operating costs. These include everything needed to run your business on Amazon, such as Amazon FBA fees, storage fees, and, most importantly, marketing expenses, which are critical to standing out in a highly competitive market. If the FBA fees for your Extreme Buds are $3 and other expenses are $7, your total operating cost per unit sold is $10. Finally, let's talk about your profit margin. It's time to reap the fruits of your labor and investment. With a wisely set retail price of $45 for your headphones, you'll achieve a gross margin of $20 per unit after deducting your costs. Why $45? Because a price too low, say $30, would not generate enough profit. Conversely, a price above $60 might make customers hesitate and lose the impact of an impulse buy. At $45, you hit the sweet spot where people are inclined to buy without overthinking, while still maintaining a good profit margin. This pricing strategy is critical to attracting buyers and maximizing your profits. This careful calculation of price is essential to turning every sale into a profitable opportunity. It's an approach that has enabled many Amazon sellers to generate significant revenue. By following these principles, you can join the ranks of Amazon's most successful sellers and earn substantial profits while meeting the needs and expectations of your customers.
Let's take a closer look at Amazon pricing strategies, with numbers to illustrate the profitability potential of this method and encourage you in your online product selling experience. Pricing is a delicate balance between attracting customers and maximizing your profits. For example, consider Extreme Buds headphones, with a unit price of $45. With a COGS of $15 and Amazon fees of $10, your gross margin per unit is $20. To make $20,000 a month, you need to sell 1,000 units. This ambitious number is achievable with a good strategy and smart pricing. But that's not all. Customer returns and unexpected costs need to be factored into your pricing strategy. For example, if 5% of your sales are returns, this should affect your pricing. Flexibility in your pricing, especially during high demand periods such as holidays, can increase your profits. Data supports the viability of selling on Amazon. According to AMZScout surveys, Amazon sellers earn between $12,000 and $300,000 per year, with 50% achieving average monthly sales of $1,000 to $25,000. In addition, the majority of Amazon sellers earn at least $1,000 per month in sales, with some of the top sellers earning over $100,000 per month. Starting a business with Amazon FBA is an investment that can pay off quickly. The vast majority of sellers, 69%, start with less than $5,000, and 20% make a profit in less than 3 months. This shows that with effective pricing strategies and management, it is not only possible to make significant profits on Amazon, but it can be done quickly.
Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are indispensable tools for Amazon sellers, each offering unique benefits. Jungle Scout, priced at $49 per month, is ideal for beginners, with an 84% product search accuracy. Its extensive database, boasting over 70 million products, coupled with the Keyword Scout for keyword research and real-time product tracking, makes selling on Amazon significantly easier. Jungle Scout comes highly recommended for beginners seeking a simple, yet effective tool to kickstart their Amazon journey. Helium 10, a bit more expensive at $99 per month, stands as a solid choice for sellers at all levels. It features robust listing optimization tools like Scribbles and Frankenstein and offers a broad spectrum of features. Helium 10 is often the go-to choice for more experienced sellers or those in search of advanced functionalities. With these tools, either Jungle Scout or Helium 10, you can sidestep costly mistakes and optimize sales, rather than merely relying on intuition. They offer accurate market data, insights into product trends, and an understanding of consumer behavior, all crucial for making informed decisions in Amazon's competitive marketplace. To maximize your success on Amazon, don't overlook the links in this video's description. There, you'll find not only detailed information about Jungle Scout and Helium 10 but also exclusive discount codes. Tailored specifically for our audience, these offers will grant you access to these powerful tools at preferential rates. Click, explore, and embark on transforming your Amazon selling journey today.
Today, we've examined some of the essential elements for achieving a $20,000 monthly income on Amazon. Remember, to be successful on Amazon, you must control your costs, refine your pricing, and use the best analytical tools. Thank you for following us. Don't hesitate to subscribe, so you never miss a tip. Download our free ebook, To Find Your Winning Product on Amazon. The link is in the description of this video. See you soon for more enriching adventures on Amazon.